Today's scent is going to be Ice Blue, a Penguin original by munsing. And these notes here include top being Italian bergamot, ground lavender, cedar leaves, the mid being Mediterranean basil. You get Lilia Valley, moss, sandalwood, and the base of cedarwood, amber, and musk. Now let's take a look here at the sprayer and we'll see how this performs here. Not too bad for the size. I mean, can't really expect a beast atomizer on this bottle here. So okay, yeah, I don't like this one. It just smells too like clean, but not in a good way, and it kind of smells like leaves. I guess that's where the cedar leaves and the basils come into play. But whatever they put in this just doesn't mix well. I know it looks like there's like a good amount of this bottle missing, but it's not for my usage. I don't really use this one ever. I just so happen to have gotten a gift set that had this one used the most, which was really weird because the other ones were like filled up high. But this one looked like it was used. I'm not sure if somebody used it and put it back in the box, or if they just underfilled this one, should I say. Something happened here, but one way or the other, I don't really care because I'm never going to use this after this review. Doesn't make me say yuck or ugh, but it does make me think this isn't a scent you want to wear, you know. It kind of reminds me a bit of the Mustang Blue, and I gave that one a 2 out of 10, although that one deserves a 0 or a 1 out of 10. But yeah, I just gave it a 2 because the opening wasn't that bad. This one kind of smells similar to that one, not all the way similar, but the similarity being it just doesn't smell good. I highly doubt it's a blue fragrance thing. I only have like 3 blue fragrances and I haven't tested the third one, so that's going to be the Polo Ralph Lauren blue one. So I will be unboxing that one very soon. It's still in the box and all. It came in a little gift set that I saw it in, so that review will be out very soon. This scent I had a word earlier, and I made sure this was the first scent that I sprayed right out the shower, and the longevity on this one, not more than an hour, and the projection on this one, it kind of doesn't really work that well either. So I did a good 6 or 8 sprays, about 3 here, 3 here, and about 2 here, maybe 3 here, so it could have even been 9 sprays, and I could hardly smell it. It just wasn't something that could be noticed. I went to Dunkin' Donuts and I was around a group of people. No one complimented me, no one looked at me some certain way. You know, when you smell really good, people look back at you type stuff. So that wasn't the case with this one, and for good reason. It just isn't a good scent. I would not recommend this to anyone. I would give this a rating here of a ugh, stinks, man. I would give this a rating the same as the Mustang Blue, because they're basically similar, almost the same scent, if you would. 2 out of 10. Penguin, I don't know why you guys thought this was a good release. And you know what's funny? I see this one all the time. This one's way cheaper at the rack stores than the other ones. So you can get this one, I think it was like 12 or 10 bucks instead of like the $15 that these go for. I gotta recheck, I'm not 100% sure, but I do know that this one's way cheaper. I wouldn't be surprised if this was a $10 bottle, because they need to get rid of it. And I don't know why they even came up with it in the first place, to be honest. So I only did this one first because it's going in order here. So you got the Ice Blue, the Rocks, the Denim, and the Nightcap. And this was a pretty big waste of money, in my opinion, just because of this one, to be exact. I paid like, man, a little over $3 for this. And that's a giant waste of $3, you know. I'm not going to use this one ever again. This is going to stay in this level for many years to come. Excuse me. But I do get some usage out of it. It's not much though. It's only like 7.5 ml, which is a very small amount, so keep that in mind that this isn't much. The cap is pretty cool because there's like a protruding part here, and the cap just kind of feels almost magnetic, but not necessarily. It just slides in up and down kind of a certain way. I'm just rambling at this point in time, but yeah, don't get this one. This is a super pass, a hardcore pass. You do not want to waste your money on this. You do not want to take a gamble on this. You just wouldn't have a need to. It's just better for you. Just save your nose some time, have it smell something else that's more pleasant, and save your wallet from being used. And definitely don't get this one. Trust me, do not get this one. 2 out of 10 is as low as it gets.